your mechanic is laughing at you. Every time you leave that shop lighter in the wallet, he knows something you don't. And today that stops. These 7 genius hacks have been buried by the automotive industry for decades, because the moment you know them, you stop spending and they stop profiting. The hack at number 1 is so devastatingly simple, it's going to make you angry about every dollar you've wasted. Stay until the end, because walking away before you hear it is the most expensive mistake you'll make today. Starting at number 7, your pedals are caked in years of rubber oxidation and shoe grime, and detailers are quietly charging you $40 to clean them with something that costs $2. Plain white non-gel toothpaste on an old toothbrush, scrubbed into those textured grooves for 90 seconds, and wiped clean, pulls off every trace of buildup and leaves your pedals looking factory fresh. The automotive industry repackages that exact chemistry, slaps an aggressive label on it, and marks it up 500%. You've been buying a $10 label on a $2 solution your entire driving life, and that ends right now. Hack number 6 is the winter nightmare that strikes without warning and leaves you yanking uselessly on a frozen door handle in your own driveway, while your blood pressure climbs and your schedule falls apart completely. When moisture bonds your rubber door seal to the metal frame overnight, the forces needed to break it loose can tear the rubber and start a repair bill between $80 and $200 before your day even begins. A thin layer of cooking oil rubbed along your door seals the night before a freeze creates a moisture barrier that prevents that bonding from ever happening, performing the exact same job as the $18 silicone sprays sitting on the shelf at your auto parts store. Mechanics profit every single winter from frozen door repairs on drivers who never heard this existed. Don't let this winter cost you what it cost you last winter. Number 5 is the invisible trap that has been quietly making every single night drive and every rainy highway run more dangerous than it needs to be. That hazy, greasy film coating the inside of your windshield is not dirt, and regular glass cleaner will never dissolve it, because it is outgassing from your dashed plastics, chemically bonding to the glass surface, and every time you spray and wipe you are just redistributing the danger across a wider area. NHTSA data consistently links reduced visibility to thousands of annual collisions, and this interior film is one of the most underreported contributing factors, because drivers genuinely believe their windshield is clean when it absolutely is not. $3 of isopropyl rubbing alcohol on a microfiber cloth, wiped in slow overlapping strokes, dissolves that bonded film instantly and completely, while detailers charge you $30 and market it as a specialty interior glass service. Your visibility is not a luxury treatment, and it is not negotiable. It is the difference between getting home safely and not getting home at all. Coming in at number 4 is a genuine safety catastrophe hiding on the front of your car every single time you drive after dark. Consumer Reports testing confirms that severely oxidized and yellowed headlights can slash your forward light output by up to 80% compared to clear lenses, meaning on a dark road at highway speed, you may have less than 2 seconds of visible reaction distance to whatever your headlights can no longer properly illuminate ahead of you. Headlight restoration kits at auto parts stores run $20 to $40, involve multiple chemical steps, and the protective coating wears off within months, sending you straight back to the same dangerous problem. A simple paste made from baking soda and toothpaste scrubbed onto the lens surface with a damp cloth for 2 to 3 minutes per side physically strips the UV-damaged oxidized layer and reveals the clear plastic underneath for almost zero cost, using ingredients already in your home. Selling you a $40 kit to fix a 15-cent problem is the automotive industry's single favorite transaction, and now you will never fall for it again. Hack number 3 is where the financial betrayal gets deeply personal, and the mechanic's poker face gets hardest to forgive. Your wiper blades are streaking and skipping. Every time rain hits your windshield, you assume they are completely worn out, and you hand over $20 to $50 for a new set, The mechanic installs with a straight face and zero guilt. But in the vast majority of cases, your blades are not worn at all. They are dirty. Road grime, rubber oxidation, and months of accumulated debris coat the blade edge and are responsible for every streak, every skip, and every blinding smeared arc of water that turns rainy driving into a genuine gamble with your safety. Running a bar of plain soap firmly along the entire length of the rubber blade. Edge strips that build up completely off and restores full like new contact and flexibility in under 60 seconds flat. You just extended the working life of your blades by potentially another full year using something sitting in your bathroom right now. The only thing that was truly worn out was your wallet and their honesty. Number 2 is a factory-built feature your car manufacturer designed, tested, and installed in your vehicle at no extra charge, then buried so deep in the owner's manual that the overwhelming majority of drivers will never find it. Your driver's side floor mat has been sliding dangerously close to your brake pedal for years, and you have probably looked at aftermarket retention clips for $15 to $25. Assuming that was your only solution to this ongoing safety hazard, but your factory floor mat already has loops sewn directly into it that line up perfectly with plastic anchor posts already embedded in your driver's side carpet, placed there at the factory specifically to lock the mat in place permanently. Press those loops down over the anchors until they click, and your mat is physically secured and cannot slide forward under any driving condition whatsoever. Every single dollar ever spent on aftermarket clips for this exact problem was completely and entirely unnecessary from day one. And number 1 is the hack that makes mechanics genuinely uncomfortable to discuss, because the moment you fully understand it, one of their most reliable and recurring revenue streams disappears. Surface rust on your body panels is a ticking time bomb that spreads aggressively, destroys your resale value, and transforms a $20 fix into a $1,000 body shop catastrophe if you leave it alone for even a single season too long. WD-40 sprayed generously onto the rust spot and allowed to soak for 5 minutes, then scrubbed firmly with a ball of crumpled aluminum foil in circular motions, physically lifts and breaks apart surface rust while penetrating underneath to displace the moisture that caused the problem in the first place. You follow immediately with a dab of matched touch-up paint to seal the bare metal, and you have completely stopped the spread for under $3 total. This is the one hack that protects every other investment you make in your car, and the one the entire industry is quietly praying you never figure out. You just learned 7 hacks the automotive industry spends billions hoping you never find out about, and your wallet is already better off for it. Hit that subscribe button right now, because the next video covers even more money-saving secrets that will make everything you just watched look like a warm-up. And drop a comment right now telling us where in the world you're watching from. We read every single one.